Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you've ever wondered how to quickly pull detailed stock financial statements into Google Sheets without any copy pasting, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get precise, up-to-date stock data imported into your own spreadsheet. This approach can save you tons of time and make tracking stocks for analysis or personal investment so much easier. Plus, you'll be ready to dive into charts and calculations with fresh data every time. Let's jump straight in. First, we're going to start outside of Google Sheets by heading over to MarketWatch. This is a reliable site for all sorts of stock information. Open up a new browser tab and go to MarketWatch. Once you're there, use the search bar. It's usually right at the top of the page, and type in the ticker symbol or company name you're interested in. If you're not sure which market or stock to pick, take a few moments to think about which company or index you actually want to track. For example, I'm going to use Reddit, but you can use any stock that interests you, whether it's a big tech giant like Apple or a smaller company. Once you find your stock, you'll land on a page with all the details. Now look around for the section called Historical Quotes. This can usually be found as a tab up top or on the left side. It might take a moment to spot, and that's totally okay. Historical quotes give you all the price movements over time, which is really useful if you want to analyze trends, look at daily changes, or just see how the stock has performed across certain dates. With the historical quotes showing, look to the right side of the screen. You'll see an option that says Download Data CSV. Go ahead and click that button. This will export all those numbers, date, open, close, high, low, volume, into a simple CSV file. If you've never worked with CSV files before, think of them as raw tables you can easily move between programs. The download should only take a second, and the file will likely go straight to your Downloads folder. Now that you've got your fresh stock data, let's bring it into Google Sheets, which is where the magic really happens. Go ahead and open up Google Sheets in your browser. Once it's open, look in the upper left for the File menu and choose Import. This part may feel a little unfamiliar if you don't import files often, but it's straightforward. Click to create a new spreadsheet. This way, your imported data will have plenty of room and won't overwrite anything important. When prompted, select Open Now to upload the CSV file you just downloaded. Within a couple of seconds, Google Sheets will pull in all that stock data and lay it out nicely into rows and columns. This means you're free to analyze it however you like, sort it by dates, filter for certain thresholds, or even run your own calculations to spot trends or patterns. If you're a visual person, this is also the perfect time to play around with charts. Highlight your data, go to the Insert menu, and choose Chart. You can make line graphs, bar charts, whatever helps you see the information clearer. And honestly, that's all there is to it. You've just taken a financial data set from MarketWatch and set it up for dynamic analysis inside Google Sheets, all in just a few simple steps. If this walkthrough helped you, please give this video a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. If you have any questions or if you want to see more Google Sheets tips like these, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you want more practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.